Subscribe and watch, and don't be scared to click the bell icon. Ethan was studying in a night college in San Francisco. His classes usually ended around 12:30 am. The only way for him to get back home was the last BART train, which departed at 1:40 am. To pass the time in between, Ethan often went to the Ocean Beach shoreline, not far from his college, and studied there. The place was usually deserted at night, so he spent most of his time completely alone. Sometimes he read his textbook, and sometimes he kept writing in his notebook. One night, while sitting near the shore, Ethan noticed a girl sitting a few yards away. Her long hair covered her face, making it impossible to see her clearly. But one thing was certain: she was staring directly at him. At first, Ethan ignored her, but even after several minutes, she did not stop watching him. No matter how hard he tried to focus on his studies, he found himself looking back at her again and again. Finally, he forced himself to concentrate on his book. Suddenly, "Hi," Ethan jumped. "I am Emily," the girl said softly. "I live nearby. What's your name?" She was standing extremely close to him now. Ethan felt a chill run down his spine. Her skin was unnaturally pale. Her lips were pitch black, and her large green eyes seemed almost lifeless. She was smiling, but the smile felt wrong. Trying to stay calm, Ethan introduced himself. Soon, they began talking. The conversation slowly grew longer, and she listened very intently. Then Ethan asked, "What are you doing here so late at night?" Emily replied, "I have seen you here many times. I came to meet you." Ethan frowned. "I come here every night, but I have never seen you or anyone else." Emily smiled. "We did. Don't you know?" she asked. "There are a rumor about this place." "What rumor?" "People disappear from here," she whispered. "Everyone around knows this. That's why no one comes here at night. I came to warn you." "Did not anyone ever tell you?" Ethan swallowed hard. "That's strange. I never heard about this. I have been coming here every night." Suddenly, evil laughter echoed through the air. "Did you hear that?" Ethan asked nervously. "What sound?" Emily replied calmly. "I cannot hear anything." Again, evil laughter. "That sound." Ethan stared. "That is scary laughter. It sounds like it's coming from below the shore." Emily started at him silently. "I don't hear anything," she said coldly. "Evil laughter. That sound." Ethan stammered. "That scary laughter. It sounds like it's coming from below the shore." Emily started at him silently. "I don't hear anything," she said coldly. Evil laughter. Evil laughter. If you like this story, subscribe to our channel. If you have a spine-chilling true story, share it in the comments. We may turn into our next horror video.